Alright guys, we are currently set up under the Boxster here. We're going to do an oil change. And then we're going to take it on over to the filter, to my makeshift operating table. And we're going to cut her open. Just demonstrate that we have no flakes, metal. So this is the first time I've been under here, and it looks really, really clean. Wow. That's always good to see. This is probably the cleanest, jeez, 986 I've seen. So it looks due. Probably had a little bit more life in it, but I didn't have a sticker. So always err on the side of caution, as the saying goes. Grab a rag here. Man, it's crazy. 911s, you know, people think they're impossible to work on by doing an oil change on them. It's so much easier than a Boxer rear engine, mid-engine. No, maybe not so much easier. It's just more, it's more convenient. That's a better way to put it. Alright, we're gonna let that keep draining. Get all the old stuff out. Get our new crush washer ready. Man, I'll never forget years ago. First one of these I did. I didn't realize they held so much oil. Mess. I had like a 6-quart catch pan, and if you do your own maintenance, you can you know where that ended up. Oil everywhere. I didn't know what to do. It was the craziest thing ever. This was going back, it's probably full. I think my first Bring a Trailer was 21, and then before that I did a few on a P-car, so that was a while ago. So I see there's no metal, there's no plastic, nothing gleamy or shiny. We're going to set this off to the side. Filter in. Alright, we're going to set this off to the side. And when I'm done with this, I get to go pick up my tax return. Always a fun moment in any business owner's life. because it's a fun moment in anybody's life. If we're being honest. Alright, so the baffles look. We actually have a Porsche filter. Porsche filter. Don't see that very often. I use Whirlpack filters. Can we see that? Yeah, look at that. Oh, that's cool. Okay. So here are some of the baffles. Nope, wrong way. Nothing shiny. No plastic. No plastic, no metal. Nothing that shouldn't be there. Tell you what, I got a 91 Saab I'm trying to bring back to life. That thing, man, you want a special dose of pain, buy a 40-year-old Saab, 30-year-old Saab. All right, everything looks good. Looks good, looks good. Nothing to be alarmed about, nothing that shouldn't be there. All right, guys, thanks for watching.